This came from a platinum selling album and it's easier to play than you think. Today I'll show you 5 iconic guitar licks that anyone can learn, played with the cheapest guitar I could find. The tabs are in a free PDF, the link is in the description. Do you know this one? If not, let's learn it first. I'll tell you what it is in a minute. This one is played in the first position of the E minor pentatonic scale. And it's the pattern that makes it so cool. Let's play it very slow. Because it's in the first position, it's super easy to transpose it to other keys. And apart from a couple of pull-offs, it's really not difficult to play. One thing you can do is steal one section of the pattern and create a completely different lick out of it. For example, or so not only is from one of the biggest guitar solos of all time, it's also super versatile and you can start using parts of it in your own playing right away. So where is it from? It's a lick by Slash from the solo of Sweet Child of Mine. How about this one? This lick is from arguably one of the most famous guitar solos of all time. The key with this one is the triplets. In this case, how you play it is more important than the notes themselves. That 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 feel is what makes this lick so cool, especially when it's paired with the drum group. This one is in the first position of the B minor pentatonic scale. So you can move the exact same pattern to any key. Did you guess it? It's from the solo of Comfortably Numb by Pink Floyd. Lick number 3 is played at the peak of a song you've heard a million times. This one is also on the first position of the pentatonic scale. A minor in this case. Can you believe how many killer guitar solos in history come from the same first position? This one's not difficult, just pay attention to the bends and more importantly the release of those bends. And you'll be good to go. This lick is probably printed in your subconscious. It's from the solo of Stairway to Heaven. I don't know how many hours I'd spent learning this solo note for note when I was a kid, especially this lick. This one is in F sharp natural minor or A major. I made a slight variation at the end. The original one uses the tremolo arm, so I kept the bend instead. That's the only difference. You can steal this lick and use it in so many different contexts. It's a great lick. It's from one of my all-time guitar heroes, Randy Rhoads, and it's from the solo of Crazy Train. The last lick, I think it's the easiest one to recognize. This one is in the first position, of course, of D minor pentatonic scale. Another great lesson in how to play and not just what to play. Every little pull-off, every string change, everything has to be spot on if you want it to sound like the original. Still, it's not a difficult lick to learn if you take your time. And if you guessed it, you were right. It's from the solo of Sultans of Swing by Mark Knopfler from Dire Straits. Those were 5 amazing licks from some of the biggest songs ever recorded. You can download the tabs for free using the link in the description. And if you're looking for more killer rock licks that are easier than they sound, this is the video you should watch next. I'll see you there.